Today, I'll walk you through how to put a date and time filter on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to apply this fun filter so you can enhance your snaps with a stylish touch. Let's dive right in. First, open your Snapchat app. If you're familiar with Snapchat, you know it's like stepping into a digital playground where creativity knows no bounds. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Updates can change the layout a bit. Once you're in the app, look for the Find icon located at the top left of the screen. This icon resembles a magnifying glass and is your gateway to discovering all the exciting features Snapchat has to offer. Click on it now. This will open up the search function. Next, type in date and time in the search bar. This is where the magic begins. Think of it like searching for a specific book in a vast library. You just need to know what you're looking for. After you enter your search term, you'll see a list of results pop up. Now, click on the option that says Lenses. This will take you to a collection of filters and lenses that you can use. It's similar to browsing through a menu at your favorite restaurant. You have plenty of options to choose from. Once you're in the Lenses section, scroll through the available filters until you find the date and time filter that catches your eye. Click on it to use it. This will apply the filter to your camera view. You can now see how it looks in real time. If you find that you love this filter and want to use it again in the future, you can easily add it to your favorites. Just click the heart button next to the filter. This makes it more accessible for your next Snapchat adventure, like having your favorite dish always ready to order. And there you have it. You've successfully added a date and time filter to your Snapchat snaps. Remember, experimenting with different filters can make your stories even more engaging and fun. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.